Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix your error when you can't send or receive SMS. So for doing this you just need to open the settings, just go to SIM card and mobile network, just choose your network you have errors you need to be fixed. So just click your turn on and turn off. And also you can try with another SIM this way. So just turn off and after just click turn on. So just reactivate your SIM. So after you do it, you can also try to send SMS, and if it doesn't work you can also try to restart your phone. So just keep holding power button until you will see here reboot, and just reboot your device, and I hope that this method will help you. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.